Oh my God.
What happened? His truck's literally.
Holy fuck. God damn, that sucks. I don't even know what is going on here.
Stay back, stay back, stay back, keep going.